Let's see what she didn't got. Wait. Hold on.
Said you want someone. Said you want someone. I think I got mixed personality.
Period pool. I'm back with another video, and today I'm in the pool, and I'm with my siblings down there. You see them, blah blah blah, down right there. And y'all need to like before my hair. Like I was saying, y'all need to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell. Ding 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 ding. Period pool. And this is Tiana. And this is Trinity. And we all look alike. Okay, let me talk, please.
Okay.
Hey YouTube. Okay, my channel is VibinWithTayderr. Period. What else I was gonna say? I'm in the pool and I'm getting my hair wet, and that's crazy. It's weird. Period pool. Yeah. So I scraped my knee. But I'm gonna be doing pranks.
We're all gonna. Okay, let's go down here.
And traveling and dance and all that good stuff. And that's about it, baby.
No, I mean from there to there. No.
And you heard it here first.
Right here. Just start it.
Y'all all in my You can cut that out. You can cut that out. Wait, I gotta get my laughs. Don't put this in this video. It's out the pool, and we're going to the bait shop.
Bait shop, go get some shit.
Steak in there. We're gonna go fishing at Pass-a-Grille. What's it called? Pass-a-Grille?
Yeah.
Pass-a-Grille. I got my head on over there, right there, at that little place right there. Creative Styles. Yes, sir. It's that way. Oh my God, that seafood place down there is so good. The seafood place in New York. It's like.
Oh, New York. I know what you're talking about.
Baby. Period pool. That's crazy. What I was gonna say? I don't even think I do know how to fish, but the last time I went fishing, my hook got caught underneath the little boardwalk thing, and I thought I had a fish, and it was really caught underneath the thing. But I be watching what's that show called with the fishes? What is it called? I don't know. It's on Netflix.
Look at the size of this bass! Now you understand why we swim out to the rock?
Okay, we're at the bait shop. Tatum's bait shop. And we're gonna get out of the car, and we're gonna go buy some bait. I'm leaving my phone in there, and you know my dog. I'm drippy. You feel me? I'm drippy. Pink Floyd. See the gang, blood of my brother gang. We got the bait bucket.
No shrimp.
None?
No.
Got squid?
Oh my God, they don't have they didn't have shrimp
Got
movers.
anything? Fish? Hold on.
Two. There's not that many. We had a run today. And the squid's right here.
I know.
And this right here. There's all this stuff here too. Chris, you there?
And we're at the bait shop. Got the drip. We got some drip. Ooh, your hair all over your head. I got some drip. Show them my drip. You gotta show them my drip. That's crazy. Yep. Show them shoes. Yep.
And I'll shoot Jordan. Oh.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
He said he only got 2 of them. I just got squid.
Hey, sir, let me see how many pinfish you got back there.
Okay.
You got, how many are you looking for?
Not that many.
Dozen?
Yeah. Make sure we don't leave.
Okay. I'm finna explain. Okay. This for my channel, not for yours.
I'm splitting it up, by the way. Where that mercury at?
This is the squid. It stinks. Nasty. Then we have the sinkers that make the line sink with the fish.
look at little fish. Don't they got them?
You know they're ants. We got 2 more. And some hooks for the lines. And that stuff stinks really badly. And we're out of here. Come on, y'all. Look at his drip. He got drip, period. Drip. Say, I got drip.
No drip, no hot.
No drip. Say, okay, look. Oh, scoot over. Sorry, excuse us. Come on, stand right here. And then on 3, y'all gonna say vibing with Tayderr, okay? You ready? Say vibing with Tayderr on 1, 2, 3.
Vibing with Tayderr. What do you have to do when you're practicing?
A lot.
Do it.
Period, Pooh. And that's crazy.
Do it.
Do it.
What you doing? What you doing there? If you don't know, she danced for Code Red.
Oh. Okay, so we're leaving the bait shop. We're getting in the car, and we're leaving the bait shop, and we're getting in the car. So we're gonna get back to you guys when we get to the Pass-a-Grille dock. Period.
Anyway, tell them what you finna do.
I'm finna throw the squid in the middle of the ocean, and I'm finna try to catch a fish.
This is your first time throwing it like this, cause right now she asking me how to do it. So anyways, just to let y'all know this is her first time. So if the pole go in the water, she going in with it. Let's go.
No, I'm not.
And oh, let's see if she remembers. Did you?
A few moments later.
Wait.
You got it.
Catfish.
It looks like you got
Let me see. Get from by that ledge that close. Let's see what she didn't got. Wait. Hold on. Wait. You about to go on. Caught a big ass. We'll put the GoPro on.
I caught a fish! Oh, where my phone at?
Ew. That looks like a shark.
I caught a fish! Oh, that's raw right there. I ain't touching it, dude. Okay, do the wrap. And then we just go down the... Oh, no.
My name is Tiana. I'm 8 years old. I'm in 2nd grade, and that's all you know. I've got a best friend named Anthony's. We be playing at school. Hide and go see y'all. No.
Oh my God! No, let's play pick up and kill it. Okay, this is how you play. So you say like you say a bar.
Killed that rap, so
Two
now she
girls
gonna switch it up.
Nah.
Girls, fish tank. Pick up and kill it and kill it.
Yeah, you gotta say a rap.
Pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it. Pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it. My name's Tiana, and what's the subject?
Say something like just something. Colors.
Okay.
Rap about colors.
Pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it. Pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it. Red iced tea.
No. Wait, you gotta record. Okay. Who pick up
With my rag.
Hey.
Pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it. Come on, pick up.
Kill it and kill it and kill it. I'm at the beach with my family. I just caught a fish. Have to kill it. Pick up and kill it.
Kill it and kill it. You say you didn't know the rap and you rapping now. Okay, tater time. got the fish like you. Something's in the water. We have to put it in that hole right there.
Put it in the God. Looking like I still
Fried.
some right.
Is that T?
Is that T? Hey, my name is T. And I got big money. And I don't.
Because you cute with ice.
You messing up my ride, bro. It's not your turn. 5, 6. I'm finna ride. Pull up in the gym, you know, God. Looking like I still ride. Something, pop the ride. It's that Z. It's that Z. My name is T. I'm pretty T. I got big money. Act up, get snatched up. And that's on me.
You heard him?
If somebody like give me something to rap, I think I can do it, but I can't freestyle.
Come here.
I lose all my money.
When you ready?
Can I have a wicked strawberry cone with the swirl?
What kind?
Swirl?
What
Oh, I heard you. I'm sorry. You said a strawberry swirl cone.
Yes, please.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
107.
They arguing, y'all. 30 minutes. 30 minutes.